Mark, many thanks for your invitation to Blackburn today. What is it you do here at the AMAC?
Yeah, so the Advanced Manufacturing Automation Centre has been set up for training, improving the apprentice levels or the apprentice experience, upskilling workforces, research and development, and what we're doing today is showcasing different customers, different clients, different suppliers.
And what I like about this place, we're not talking about entry-level technology. Indeed, another part of the facility does have your turret mills, your lathes, but this is well up to 5-axis technology.
Yeah, we decided 3 years ago to invest in high-end machining centres, also high-end inspection equipment and CAD/CAM softwares, because that's what industry's needing. Yeah, everywhere is going high-end. So we need to be sending our apprentices out and learning people how to use this equipment correctly, safely, and have confidence in using it.
So Mike, today at the Advanced Manufacturing and Automation Centre, what is today all about?
We're running demonstrations today with partnerships. So there's ourselves, SCHUNK, Open Mind with the CAM software. And it's to bring together people to understand what AMAC is about. So it's a training centre for up and coming engineers of the future. So we're very pleased to be able to support that kind of event.
And what's your participation? What do you offer?
We're doing the tooling for the actual demo. So we're showing barrel tooling, lollipops and trochoidal milling, programmed by John Butler from our QuickCAM Pro division. And the idea really is to just give people locally an idea of what can be done as partnerships grow.
And you like an event, don't you, at Quickgrind?
We love an event, yeah. I think this is the first one we've done with the partnerships all together, if you like. So it's looking good, and there's a nice number of people coming along. So yeah, I think it's the first of many.
So Graham, another successful component here on the DMG behind us. How have you got to this?
We're in conjunction today with the AMAC Centre. We've been planning this for quite a while. We finally got to this stage. This is the part we're machining today. A lot of strategies, mainly due through ourselves, through Open Mind. With lollipopping strategies, where it almost looks like it's gone through 90 degrees. The barrel tooling strategies within this component, trochoidal milling, and also we've got 5-axis helical drilling. It makes it out for a nice trick part to try and impress the customers and get them on board with what we're doing.
I guess it helps that you guys, of course, Open Mind are part of this, but also you've got John Butler on the QuickCAM Pro as well.
Yeah, I was just going to say that, although it's driven by Open Mind, it's John Butler who programmed this part, and he's very, very good with us. It gives us that flexibility that we don't have to rely on a software company, we just have to rely on one of our own employees, which makes things a lot smoother. And also the interaction with the customers as well, for the fact that John can just get on the blower, I'll come in and see you, let's look at the strategies and improve things without us having to rely on the availability of Open Mind. But yeah, it works very, very well for us.
We are partners with most companies present here. We started working with AMAC about maybe a year ago on productionizing and expanding, making our compressor bigger. And also with Quickgrind, we work with them on the tooling side. With Hypermill, we use Hypermill CAM. So it's pretty much many companies that you can see here today are our good partners.
We've had quite a good number of people through the door this morning, and equal number of people this afternoon. So yeah, very good.
Yeah, and good caliber companies as well.
Oh, exceptionally, yeah. Yeah, I've had some big names through the door, and yeah, it's been interesting.
Much uptake on the barrel milling?
Well, that's what this is all about, really. It's seeing is believing. You can read the hype, pardon the pun, of Hypermill, potentially saving 90% cycle times, but we're actually showing it here today, where they can actually see it for themselves and as I say, see it and believe it.
Marcel, here at AMAC, what's your involvement in today?
Well, we equipped all of the DMG machine with the work holding equipment. So the vise and all the tool holders are made by SCHUNK.
So what is important of having a good vise and tool holders in a demonstration like that one?
Well, as we all know, when we're machining, vibration is extremely important. You spend good money on a fantastic machine. If you don't hold the part properly, or if you don't put the right tooling on the right holder, it's a waste of money, isn't it?
So Marcel, the importance of collaboration.
This is a fantastic opportunity for us. We're happy to be here supporting Training 2000 and AMAC. They are building the future engineers for our country. Trying to help them in this amazing place, it's something that we want to do more and more and more.